Heck yeah, dude. Trailer hook all day. I watched him come up and take that. That was awesome.
That's a fucking good fish. Oh my god. What are you?
Oh yes.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, I am so pumped right now. Yes.
Dude, look at that. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Nice strike there.
Heck yeah, dude. I'm so glad I brought my GoPro now.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're at a pond that has absolutely no type of fishing pressure. That was my first cast and I watched that baby come up and hit that thing. That was awesome. Number two. Number two. Dude, I am so freaking pumped. They're not real too big, but see guys, that's why you always use the trailer hook. Number two. Dude, oh my god. I will be here this weekend. Oh my gosh, guys, this is awesome. Oh yeah, number three. Heck yes. These are like solid pounders each time. No fishing pressure. This is what you get, what gets right here, guys. Number four. Yes. Oh my god. 5. Yes, right now. Oh my god. This is just flat out awesome, guys. I know they're not real big, but that's awesome. no, he got off. Quick release. Ah. Trailer hook didn't work for me that time. Heck yes, guy. Ah. Sorry guys, I can't disclose the fishing area that we were at. This is my honey hole now. Hey dude, this is all I ever do is fish. I think that's like 5 or 6. That's awesome. Yes.
Holy damn. I seen the big one come up and then he came up and grabbed it.
Uh-huh.
You little bastard. Not a bad fish, but still.
Oh, I didn't get him. You say 4 times his size? Like huge. I mean like.
At least. It was a big fucking fish.
Oh wow. This is a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why he's so good.
Oh yeah.
Because I got him with a trailer hook.
Oh,
I just sat. Ooh, this is a dead fish. Yeah, but I don't like. I hooked him up to the side and all the way up to the side. I think this whole pond's just gonna be.
yeah, the whole pond's gonna be good, but.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yep. Fish number like 13 of the day.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Lewis. They're all about the same size. Oh, making a pee. All right, guys, I'll put them back. Man, he took that thing and ran. Oh, no. Man, guys. He swallowed that thing. Look at that.